comparing numbers. When the number of digits in two numbers are different, rule of thumb is that the number with more number of digits is bigger than the number with lesser number of digits. 23 is less than 678. As 23 is a two-digit number and 678 is a three-digit number. Here is another example. Here we have two numbers. Digits in both the numbers are different. This is four-digit number and this is six-digit number. So we need not compare the numbers. Simply, the number with more number of digits is bigger. Second case is when the number of digits in two numbers is same. Let's learn how we compare numbers when the number of digits in two numbers is same. First, we compare the numerals at the biggest place in the numbers. So we will compare the thousands place here. 4 is bigger than 2. So the number with bigger numeral at the biggest place is bigger. So 4,000 is bigger than 2,000. Let's take another example. Here too, the numbers have equal number of digits. Both have 6 digits. First, we compare the digits at the biggest place. Both are same, so compare the next digits. Again, both are same, so move the next digit. 9 is bigger than 6. In whichever number we get bigger number first, while comparing each digit, starting from the biggest place, that number is bigger. So, 789,000 is more than 786,000. Let's take another example. We have to compare these numbers, and both have same number of digits. Let's start comparing digits from left. And in whichever number we get the bigger digit first, that number will be bigger than the other one. Comparing the leftmost digits, both are same, so compare the next digits again. Both are same. Compare the next digit. Here, 8 is more than 6, so this number is bigger number. So kids, let's revise. When the number of digits in two numbers is same, compare the digits to two numbers starting from the left. And in whichever number you get the bigger number first, that number is the bigger number.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!